Hi guys, to continue this question, हमारे पास एक A नाम का सेट है and N name other set. For example, set 1, 3 and 4 is a strict superset of set A and 3. Set 1, 3, 4 is not a strict superset of set 1, 3 and 4. So I have already solution of this question and try to run. A is equal set इनपुट डॉट स्प्लिट हमने ए नाम का सेट क्रिएट किया। उसमें जो वैल्यू होगी वो यूजर से हम एंटर कराएंगे। काउंट 0 वैल्यू 0। फॉर लूप यूज करेंगे। इफ ए डॉट सुपरसेट क्रिएट काउंट प्लस इज इक्वल 1 एल्स वैल्यू प्लस 1। इफ वैल्यू इज 0 प्रिंट एल्स प्रिंट ट्रू। मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट चैलेंज बटन। Next question is input format, one line of input, the real and imaginary part of a number separated by a space. Output format, two complex numbers C and D. The output should be in the following sequence of separate lines: C plus D, C minus D, C into D, C select D. So remove this. Import math. हमने मैथ इंपोर्ट कर लिया। क्लास कॉम्प्लेक्स क्रिएट किया। को रन किया और सबमिट। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में मूव करते हैं। Today I am finished all question. If you have any doubt, so please come in comment box. Click on next challenge and next question is you are given a 4-point A, B, C and D in a 3-dimensional circumference coordinate system. You are required to print the angle between the plane made by the point ABC and BCD in degrees. कोड को हम रन करेंगे। कोड प्रोसेसिंग में है। तो सक्सेसफुल एंड देन सबमिट बटन। Next question is, you are given a string for name is s. Sorry, you are given a string that name is s. Your task is to print all possible combination up to size k of the string in lexicography sorted order. Input format a single line containing the string s and integer value k separated by a space. Remove this word and paste and run code. S and k is equal. Iterate tool import combination with replace. Try this code. S and input dot split. Use for loop. Combination sorted as I join and J. Submit code. Click on next challenge button. Same. This is as like previous question. Input is a single line containing the string s and integer value k separated via space. Run code and submit. A single line of input consisting of the string s. A single line of input consisting of the modified string. Simple input as like this. For output 1132 13 and 21. Explanation: first the character word occurs only once. It is replaced by 11. Try this question. For K and C in group by user defined input print %d len list C in K int. रन कोड को हम रन करेंगे. It will show successful message. After then click on submit code and next challenge. We'll see next challenge. Travel and iterators. You see input format. The input consists of 3 lines. The first line contains the integer n denoting the length of the list, and next line consists of n space separated lowercase English letter denoting the element of the list. The third and the last line of input contains the integer k denoting the number of integrates to be selected. हम इनपुट आउटपुट देखेंगे. सिंपल इनपुट एज लाइक 4 AACD and 2. Simple output yes. And for user defined sorry letters list create करेंगे k user defined k और n tuple and contains प्रिंट कर देंगे tuple और contains को. रन कोड हमारा रन हो जाएगा. उसके बाद हम सबमिट कोड पे क्लिक करेंगे. नेक्स्ट चैलेंज. The first line contains two space separated integer k and m. The next k line each contains an integer mi denoting the number of elements in the I list followed by n space separated integer denoting the element in the list. This is simple input and this is output. 3 1 0 0 2 5 4 3 7 8 9 5 5 7 8 9 10 and output 0 6. एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए हम देख लेते हैं. Picking 5 from the first line. 9 second list 10 third list gives the maximum s value equal 5 square 9 square 10 square. Cursor 1000 is equal 206. Number of list module map int input